Hey coffee lovers! Are you tired of spending $6 every morning on your latte or cappuccino? What if I told you that you could enjoy barista quality espresso right at home, smoother, faster, and way more stylish? Today, we're diving deep into the Breville Espresso machine series, including the Breville Barista Touch and Press BS881 BTR in Black Truffle and 2 models of the Breville Oracl Jet Espresso machine. These machines are taking the US coffee community by storm for their sleek designs and unbeatable taste control. Stay tuned, you'll find out which one's perfect for you. Product 1, Breville Barista Touch and Press BS881 BTR, Black Truffle. If you're new to espresso machines but still crave cafe-level coffee, the Breville Barista Touch and Press is your best pick. With its touchscreen display and automatic milk texturing, it's super easy to use. Plus, the Impress puck system delivers perfect tamping pressure every time. Pros: Smart touch interface, easy to choose coffee styles. Auto steam wand creates creamy froth for cappuccinos. Quick heat up time, coffee in under a minute. Cons: slightly pricey for beginners. Requires regular cleaning. Speech balloon customer reviews. US customers love its user-friendly interface and say it's as close as you can get to Starbucks at home. Perfect for busy mornings or weekend coffee indulgence. Product 2, Breville Oracl Jet Espresso Machine, Black Truffle. Want the luxury of a professional coffee setup in your kitchen? The Breville Oracl Jet Espresso Machine, Black Truffle, combines smart automation with precision control. It grinds, doses, and tamps automatically, while the dual boiler lets you brew espresso and steam milk at the same time. Pros: fully automated grinding and tamping. Dual boiler system for speed and efficiency. Consistent temperature control for every shot. Cons: large footprint, not ideal for small kitchens. On the expensive side, but worth it for serious coffee fans. Customer reviews. Users in the US rave about how it feels like owning a commercial espresso machine. The espresso flavor is rich, bold, and smooth, perfect for anyone who takes coffee seriously. Product 3, Breville Oracl Jet Espresso Machine, Brushed Stainless Steel. For those who love elegance and performance, the Breville Oracl Jet in Brushed Stainless Steel is a statement piece. It delivers the same advanced features as the Black Truffle model but with a premium stainless finish that blends beautifully into any modern kitchen. Pros: stunning stainless design, durable and elegant. Advanced steam wand for perfect latte art. Automatic grind, dose, and tamp. Cons: heavy machine, not easily portable. Higher energy use compared to compact models. Customer reviews. Coffee enthusiasts say it's the ultimate at-home espresso experience. The milk texture and espresso crema are top-notch, making it a favorite among daily coffee drinkers. So, whether you're a casual coffee lover or a home barista, Breville's espresso machine lineup has something for you. From the beginner-friendly Barista Touch and Press to the powerhouse Oracl Jet models, these machines redefine your morning brew. If you want to check them out, I've added the Amazon links below. Grab yours before prices go up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which Breville model you'd love to own. Thanks for watching, and remember, great coffee starts at home.